What's up, Dame Gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey, y'all! Did you miss me? I hope so, because I missed y'all. Alright, y'all. So today I have a king crab seafood boil mukbang. And I got some rice, some cucumber, and some sausages. Man, I had it before, but after watching Beloved eat it like in the last 4 videos, I'm like, I gotta have this again. I never had it with the cucumber, the bite of the sausage and the rice with the sauce, all in one wok. And I'm gonna try that before I even tell y'all what we got. Got some sauce right here. Get some of that rice. And I'm gonna bite the sausage. And then I'm gonna bite the cucumber. You ready? Look at this. Listen. That's really good, y'all. Okay. All right. All right. Maybe you got something here. You know I had to try it. Boom. Oh yeah, I didn't get a thumbnail. Hold on. Oh, this is some cranberry grape juice right here. Ocean spray. Excuse me. Let's do a thumbnail. All right, one of them shall work. Yeah, it's been a little minute since I had king crab by myself. Aria took all my crab last time. Man, she loved crablets. I hope y'all having a great day today. Great day today. Ooh, that came right up out of there. Y'all seen it? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Today is, what, Thursday? How y'all doing this Thursday? Hope y'all doing great. I'm doing great. Look at this. Maybe that could be my thumbnail. Man. Woo! I was gonna die for a little minute. Look at all that. Here we go. I was sitting that jail. Damn. Y'all gotta try that together. Oh shit. I mean stuff, sorry. Oh, y'all, guess what? Me and It's Wani, we're planning a meet and greet. And we think our first meet and greet should be in Texas. Because we both got a huge following in Texas. So comment down below what y'all think, and comment down below some areas that we should have it at, like a venue or something like that you know of. It's such a crispy taste. Like, it's so fresh and, you know, I get it. I'm drinking too much juice. I got my coldest water bottle right here, baby. You know who I like? Sam's Real. I got my water. I got my water, baby. I got my water. Y'all know who Sam's World is. Y'all gotta go check her out. It's so good. Hey, go. This is my water bottle from Coldest Water Bottle. If you click down in the description box below, I have 2 links. One of them is to buy the water bottle. One of them is to enter a giveaway to get a free water bottle. If you put flavors in that code box they have on their website, you get free shipping. And literally, it stays cold or hot. Earlier, I was washing the water bottle out, right? And I always let hot water sit in there before I, rinse the hot water out. But I let it sit in there with the soap. Mine's crazy, but no, pour the water out right over my hand. That water was hot as hell. And that's no lie. I let it sit for at least an hour. Try to clean it. Snow crab, though, it's a different type of meat. God. Sorry. Don't get me in the comments, y'all. I left my nutcracker. I want to get some more tattoos. Oh, y'all, and I want to start going. I got to start going to the gym. I have to start going to the gym. And I'm about to change the times that well, I'm still going to try to upload every day at 2 o'clock. But I'm going to change the way I film. So just film it early in the morning and releasing it later that day. Because I can't film at night like that no more. I don't want to film and go to sleep. In the next hour or two. I want to stay up. Go run some errands to work some of this food off. Oh man, okay. I need another bite. Mm-hmm. If y'all didn't check out my video yesterday, I did Flamin' Hot Fried Cheeto Pickles. And in that same video, I released a vlog from my birthday party. It was so lit, so make sure y'all check that out. If y'all didn't. The vlog is not that long. The whole video, including the 2 parts, is like 14 minutes. I was gonna vlog the whole party, but I wanted to have fun. I wanted to live in the moment, not be filming. Ooh yeah. Look at that. All right, y'all. I'm about to do it. All tree. That's good. It reminds me of like a sushi roll without the seaweed. That's exactly what it tastes like. When I did the rice, the crab, the cucumber, and it's a sushi roll without the seaweed. Well, a little sausage. Excuse me. All right. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. Oh my. Y'all seen that video before? Come on. Oh, that's a lot of it. right? Come on out of there, baby. Come on, baby. That's how they be talking in New Orleans. Come on, baby. Let me get the keys to the Rover truck. Come on, man. Stop playing. All right. All right, there we go. Here we go, here we go. I didn't even touch that corn, the egg, or nothing. I already know what I want. All right. I gotta go. I see why it's so addicting. That crunch? Oh man, I just spit. Man, I could have did a video with just this. Y'all gonna be mad at me because somebody was like, bite that egg, bite that corn. You copy and be loved. So, it looked good, so I wanted to try. That tastes just like a sushi. Want to see that? Excuse me, y'all. I'm not even drinking any soda pop. I know how I feel about the cone. Did I get my notification? Shout out. No. I know I got stuff in my beard. I ain't got no mirror. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get my post notification shout out of the day right now. You can't say I watched your video if you didn't hear your notification shout out. I think it's Aisha Thornton. Shout out to you, baby, for being first on my video yesterday with the flaming hot fried pickles. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, all you have to do is be a subscriber of this channel. Comment down below, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, something like that. And I will shout you out in my next video. Like I just did Aisha. She been first a lot of times. Real OG, triple OG. I'm kind of getting full. Trying to get food, trying to get food. Uh-oh. It's like when you crack these, you gotta be careful. Depending on how you crack it. And you don't crack, like if you crack the shell, but when you get it cracked, you don't like bend it. It stay whole. But then stuff like this happen and the meat don't come. There we go. I got a little shell in my tooth. The worst thing in the world is feeling something stuck in your tooth and you can't get it out. Mama dear, put a ball. Y'all, I'm about to eat all my food. Oh, man. This ain't pre-cooked. And the circle, the circle of love. Ooh, the best meat. I don't even. Oh my God. In my body, eat me that banana. In my body, eat me banana. In my banana, see some malababa. I'm full, man. I am full. I got to go. I got to leave you be. I loved you. I can go to sleep right here, right here. Go to sleep right here. But I'm not. I love y'all so much. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I got a piece of meat sticking right there on my tooth. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone, everyone. Let them know what we doing over here, y'all. We at 61,000. Crazy. All right, y'all. Peace. Love ya. Peace.